stop in the overnight hours or tomorrow night, starting in the evening, late in the afternoon or early evening in the western areas of Nova Scotia, and then gradually diminish across the province in the overnight hours.
It's a blizzard out there, and there's snow drifts everywhere, and there's just cars piled everywhere, and even 4x4s are stuck in the middle of the road.
I had to go out and open the door, clean the screen off so I could see outside. All the windows were the screens, right? Couldn't see outside, so I had to shovel my back door. I haven't done that since I was like this high, right?
This is ridiculous. I thought we were heading into summer.
I've been here for 2 years and I've seen Hurricane Juan. And now this, I think the two biggest storms I've seen in my life.
I resent having to come out. I mean, I checked the internet as it says to do. Everybody else was canceled except these 3 airlines, and it just doesn't make sense that they would have, put everybody through this.
Our patients are being cared for that are here. Our emergency department is open and patients are being cared for.
If you have to deliver the baby at home, the best paramedic is in the snowplow truck and they're on their way. Last night at 14 minutes after 3, she delivered the baby, Xander. And it's been just overwhelming since.
I can't look. There's a car right there, look.
We're making progress every day. I guess, assuming that we don't have more snowfall, I would say towards the end of the week everything should be pretty well as it should.